If your AC is running but your house still feels warm, there could be a couple common issues that could be causing the problem. One of the first things to check is your air filter. A clogged filter can restrict airflow through an entire HVAC system. When that happens, you may notice weak airflow from the vents, uneven cooling, frozen coils, higher energy bills, or an AC that runs constantly. If your filter looks dirty, replace it. Most homeowners should replace their filters every 1 to 3 months depending on pets, dust, allergies, and how often the system is running. The next thing to check is your thermostat. Make sure it's set to cool, the fan is set to auto, and the temperature is set lower than the current room temperature. It's also worth checking the batteries if your thermostat uses them. Sometimes the issue is simple. Other times, the thermostat may not be communicating correctly with the system, which can make the AC run incorrectly. Low refrigerant is another common reason an AC can be running but not cooling properly. Your AC unit uses refrigerant to absorb heat from inside your home. If refrigerant levels are low, usually because of a leak, the system may blow warm air, run non-stop, freeze up, or struggle to cool the house. This is not something homeowners should try to fix themselves. A licensed HVAC technician needs to inspect the system, find the leak, and recharge the refrigerant properly. Your outdoor unit also needs proper airflow to release heat from the home. If the condenser is covered in dirt, leaves, grass, or debris, it can't work as efficiently. That can cause your AC to run longer, overheat, increase your electric bill, or struggle to cool the home. Keeping the area around your unit clear is a simple step and can help your system run better. If your AC is running but not cooling, your evaporator coil could be frozen. This could happen because of restricted airflow, a dirty filter, dirty coils, or low refrigerant. Some warning signs include ice buildup, water leaking near the system, weak airflow, or warm air from the vents. If you notice ice on your AC system, it's usually best to turn your system off and call a professional. Age can also be a factor. Most AC systems last around 10 to 15 years with proper maintenance. As they get older, they may lose efficiency, break down more often, and struggle during extreme heat. The best way to prevent cooling problems is regular maintenance. A professional AC tune-up can help improve performance, reduce energy usage, prevent breakdowns, and catch issues before they become expensive. If your AC is running but not cooling your house, don't wait for the problem to get worse. Guardian Plumbers Heating and Air can inspect your system, find the issue, and help get your home comfortable again. Call Guardian Plumbers Heating and Air today to schedule your HVAC service.